everyone, this is Katie with DEK Designs. If you are new to our channel, we are a planner sticker company, and today I'm going to be doing our unboxing for our August subscription box. So for our subscription box, it's a monthly sub box that contains stationery goodies and stickers that go along with whatever planner you're using for the month, or if you're bullet journaling, you can use it for that as well. And we are going to have our overstock, our extra sub boxes for sale tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Central Time. So if you like what you see in this sub box and you really want to get it, or you just want to try it out, make sure to stop by our website tomorrow at 8 a.m. and grab one before they run out. But without further ado, I'm going to jump into this box and show you everything that's in it. First, we have this cardstock page that has a scene that's in the kit on it. And you can use this in your planner if you're wanting to, as like a journal card, or if you're wanting to tear pieces off of it to make corner pieces, you could totally do that. And then on the back of this is our monthly letter to everyone. So it says, prepare to be uplifted by the zesty charm and vibrant colors that come together to bring you a refreshing stationery experience. Lemons have long been associated with freshness, positivity, and a burst of energy, making them the perfect muse for this month's collection. And bonus item is the acrylic clip that's in here, and I'll show you guys afterwards. At DEK Designs, we believe in the power of stationery to connect, inspire, and bring joy to everyday life. This lemon-themed box serves as a reminder to embrace life's vibrant moments, seek out opportunities for growth, and share your own zest for living. As always, we would love to hear your feedback and suggestions. Your satisfaction is of utmost importance to us, and we continually strive to bring you the best subscription box experience. Stay safe, sane, and well planned. XOXO, Dawn, Emily, and Katie. And at the bottom here is the link for the papers that go along with this box. So you can print them out, how many you want for each design and stuff like that, and whatever paper type you want. So I'm gonna put this off to the side, and this is the clip that comes with the box this month. It's like a little paper clip that you can put to mark your planner, and it matches the deco of this kit, so it's gonna look really pretty with it. So I don't know what type of flower this is. I want to say a hydrangea, but I don't think it might be a yellow hydrangea, if I'm saying that correctly. So that's the clip. Then we have our sticky note. It's a tannish pink color, kind of like salmon, and it says squeeze the day with some lemonade off to the side. Super cute. Then we have our 3 washi tapes. So we have the gold foil on these washi tapes. The thicker washi tape has that hat on it, like the sun hat, the floppy sun hat, and it has a bouquet of flowers in there too. And then our medium washi tape has like the checkered grid on it, the red and yellow with a gold foiled bow. And then lastly, our thinnest washi is gold with gold foil with a white bow pattern on it. Now let's look at the die cuts. As you can see, that clip, from the clip we have the hydrangea die cut. So pretty. And then a little lemon tree. It looks like a capri pizza with olive oil on the side. Lemonade and a slice of cake. Yum. And then we have that same lemonade and pitcher that is on the sticky note. A cute outfit that matches this kit with the red and the yellow and green and the lemons. A plate full of lemons. The August monthly die cut. August script foiled in gold. And then the monthly heart date dots and 2 weekend scripts. So these are all the die cuts. Next, we're gonna look at the bonus sheet and the journal kit that's in here. So first we have the first journal sheet where you have the ripped edges with the patterns in it, and then the kit colors. I really love that checkered. It goes with that washi I was showing you earlier. This washi. And then some splashes, watercolor layering pieces. And then next we have the Monday through Sunday with the swatches you can put behind it, and then some geometric shapes. And then lastly is the bonus sheet that goes along with it. So we have our doodle stickers and then torn edges. And then over here we have the holidays for the August month. Not all of them, but some of them. So like Watermelon Day is August 3rd. And Marshmallow Day, cute, is August 29th. So that's really fun to put in your planner on your monthly if you wanted to. Now let's look at the monthly. So first you get the August script for the monthly. That's in gold foil. So you have the August 2023, and then the important script that you need for the monthly, like payday, rent, mortgage, bill due. And then on the upper right corner, you have some deco, foil deco that matches with the monthly. So we have lemons and some leaves over there. Then the first page of the monthly section is you have the headers with the Sunday through Saturday, some washi at the bottom, flags, and functional boxes. Then you have some more boxes, so a longer deco box, like a dashboard box right there, and then some boxes where you can see the artwork from earlier, and there's a transparent white strip going through the boxes down here, so you can write headers and stuff like that. And then some functional boxes right there, and then another washi strip. And then lastly, you have your date flags, your script, currently reading, watching, and listening, laundry, doctor, shopping, takeout, birthdays for the month, and then appointments. And then you have some corner pieces for the monthly boxes, and then some more functional boxes down below. So this is the monthly kit that comes with the sub box. And of course with the sizes, they may look a little bit different. This is the size B6. And then lastly, let's look at the kit, the standard kit. First, we have our full boxes. So we have like this yummy looking bundt lemon cake. It looks like a bouquet of flowers and like a vase that has lemons. I love this gold foil against these colors. It really pops. that outfit from earlier, and the pizza and the lemonade. A cute, like, I don't know if it's like a terrace or an outdoor scene where you could be sitting and enjoying the weather, and some string foiled lights at the top. And then over here, it looks like some makeup and a hair tie and all that good stuff. So that's the first sheet. And you can see that there's some foiled lemons on the full boxes too. And then with this cake, I love the gold drip. That's kind of mimicking the icing dripping down. Our next full box sheet, we have, it looks like a raspberry lemon cake, a lemon vine, one of those floppy hats that's on the foil, on the washi sheet, some more lemonade, lemon squeeze, and like a little wicker purse. Another scene of like a dining room. It looks like in like a greenhouse, maybe. No, a dining scene on a deck. And then a lemon decorative piece right there with some towels. Next, we have the 3 bow box checklists. And then we have the 3 heart flag checklists. The headers and glitter headers that can be used, like today, next week, exercise this week, work to do, all that good stuff. And then this is really good for layering or segmenting. Then you have some Monday through Sundays. You have 4 weeks of Monday through Sundays on this sheet. Next, we have some more functional boxes, like 2 Monday through Sundays, and 2 boxes that have just the patterns in it with some foil, look with the foil deco on it. Some squares down here with the foil going through the top. Rectangular functional boxes on these 2 rows. Then we have the flags at the top, the half scallop circles, and layering pieces, shorter washi strips, watercolor swatches. Then the deco sheet, when you look close, you can see that a lot of this is cohesive. This is the artwork that you see in the full boxes, and then also in the die cuts and on one of the washi strips. Then we have the fashion girls. I love that lemon dress that they have on right there. And we have some more of those hair ties floating around, and the hydrangeas. I'm so sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. And then our fashion girl boxes, which is this pretty much the same as the girls, but there's scenes in the background. Then we have checkered bow strips, 2 weekend banners, some icons off to the side, like text messaging, YouTube, Instagram. And then at the bottom, we have some headers, like appointment canceled, shopping list. Then we have our sticky note sheet. So there's some sticky notes at the top with some of those patterns in the background. And then we have some functional shapes that you can use throughout the month. And another functional sheet, we have our habit trackers that has the Monday through Sunday on it at the top. And then below we have those different patterns that you can use as headers, where you write whatever you want. And lastly, we have another functional sheet, but there's no pattern. It just has the solid colors of the kit on it. And we have ovals at the bottom, rectangles, and then thinner rectangles at the top. Okay, so this is our August subscription box. Remember, if you fell in love with this watching this video and you want your planner to have this deco in it and these cute stickers, make sure to check out our website tomorrow at 8 a.m. and we will have some overstock on the website. The overstock is limited. We only have so much overstock. So if you do really want this, I suggest hopping onto the website tomorrow morning. If you want to stay inspired with your planner spreads and you want to get ideas or see what kind of stickers we come out with for our different subscriptions or new releases, make sure to subscribe to our channel. And we also love to hear your feedback, just like what we said in our newsletter. So if you do have any feedback or comments, things that you love that you want to share, make sure to comment below. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you all next time. Bye.